ever been told to behave yourself when you were just being you? Maybe a teacher, a friend's parent, a nosy relative, or even your own parents. From the moment we're kids, we're being molded like clay by the hands of people who often don't even know what they're doing. You might have heard things like, "You're too loud, don't talk like that. That's not how a girl should act. Boys don't cry. Fix that attitude if you want people to like you," and so much more. But let me ask you this. What if you weren't broken to begin with? What if you were just different and unique in your own way? If you're done settling, if you're done playing small in the world that wants you to fit in, then stick till the end of this video, because I'm going to break down everything about insecurities and how to build your own unique personality. Let me tell you a story. I was about 11 years old. That means I was still a kid. I was not even a teenager. And I was just being myself. I've never, as a kid, ever felt the need to fit in. But then one incident changed everything for me. One day, one of my close cousins who I looked up to when I was a kid, they informed my mum in front of me that I have a bad personality and that I need to improve my personality. Imagine, I was just 11 years old and I was already exposed to such a comparison between my personality and personalities of adults. So they were an adult, and so they wanted me to have the personality to have already built the best personality ever possible, that I should change myself according to what they preferred me to be like, the ideal personality that I should have. And then everything literally changed. I started behaving in ways people appreciated me, in ways that people approved to be the ideal behavior. So I started molding myself in every single environment I was exposed to according to the people that were present in the environment. So I was termed as being very flexible, easily adaptable and easygoing, and such a good girl. But that was not exactly how I felt inside. Every single time I tried to fit in, I lost a part of my authentic self, and nobody ever knew this except me. And even I didn't realize it until it was late. And when you look into the story that I just shared, it's not the mistake of that adult cousin that they advised my mom that I should build my personality in a better way, but they were imposing their own beliefs. So they were evaluating me with whatever little experience that they had in their own life. They were speaking with the limited experience that they had. They've seen what they've seen and they've lived what they've lived. They don't know anything about my story and my life and what I'm feeling and what I'm experiencing. So then, who gave them the right to decide what my right personality should be like? Exactly, no one. Here's the core issue. We're so used to learning from what we see that we stop exploring the unknown. We start copying people, we mimic them. We try to copy popular kids, we try to be Instagram perfect, and we pick careers, looks, and even emotions based on what's trending. And so our personality is really not us. It's a patchwork of what we think will get us the most love and the least rejection, and that's the main reason why we are insecure. The thing is, deep down, we know we're faking it. We're not being ourselves. We're not being the person who we really are. We're just being someone who we think that people would approve of. But what if instead of trying to fit in, you started experimenting boldly? Everything that you desire, everything you want to experiment with, that's when you'll start feeling alive, and that's when you actually start living with your own unique personality. But before we dive into the process of creating our own unique personality, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Nisha, and if you'd like to join me on this journey where we transform ourselves for the better, then subscribe and stick along. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more content to level up your life. There's really just one way to build a personality that you love. Go out there and try things. Try behaviors, try attitudes, try being loud, try being soft, try saying no, try saying yes to things that scare you. True personality is discovered through experimentation and not expectation. If you want to feel more confident, then start doing things that make you feel uncomfortable. By the end of achieving that thing, you'd be much more confident than what you are right now. If you want to be more respected, start acting in ways that make you respect yourself first. Your personality is not something you're born with. It's something you build, mold, and evolve into through conscious self-discovery and bold experimentation. I'm going to share with you a 5-step process to building your own unique personality. Step number 1, self-awareness inventory. Let's start with the foundation, awareness. You can't change something you don't even know or understand at the first place. And yet, so many of us have no clue to why we actually act the way we do. Ask yourself, what are the traits I absolutely love about myself? And what traits do I hide from people because I'm scared that they would judge me? I have an activity for you. Pick a piece of paper or take your journal and make 2 columns. One should be the visible me and the other should be the hidden me. So under visible me, write down the traits that you show people, that you show to the world. And under hidden me, write down every single trait that's hidden behind fear, trauma, or embarrassment, anything that you feel you hide from people because of all these reasons. For example, maybe you're a deep thinker, but you act bubbly in front of people because they call you too intense. Or maybe you love being goofy, but you hide it at work because someone called you unprofessional. But here's the real truth bomb. Every single thing that you're hiding could actually be the most valuable part of your identity. Start owning those hidden parts because that's where your uniqueness lives. Because only when you become fully aware of your real self can you ever transform into your best self. Step number 2, bold experimentation. Personality isn't discovered in a notebook or from reading a book. It is discovered in motion. So this step is about weekly identity experimentation. Every week, you're going to pick one aspect about yourself to stretch. Some examples of these challenges could be like, week 1, express yourself a bit more. Wear that outfit that you have been hesitating to wear or you've been scared to wear. Talk with hand gestures and laugh loudly. Week 2, be radically honest. Start expressing how you really feel in a conversation, even if your voice feels shaky. Week 3, try silence and observation. Go to a party or go to a social gathering and observe people. Observe people's behavior. Learn. Reflect. This is powerful because you find out what feels aligned and what doesn't. What energizes you versus what exhausts you. You understand yourself better by doing and not just thinking. Step number 3, filter feedback. Not all feedback is created equal. Too many of us are living out someone else's expectation or opinion of who we should be. Remember this, if they have never built a life that you admire, then why are you giving them power to alter yours? There are always 2 types of feedback. One is the constructive feedback from wise people. So they might be advising you or giving you feedback because they want to see you grow and have already walked the walk. And the second type of feedback is critical from the scared people. So they might just be projecting their fears onto you. You need to build a feedback filter. So ask yourself, who said that to me? What might be their intention? Does their life reflect values I align with? If not, thank them silently and close that door. Not everyone owes access to your identity. Step number Number 4 is mirror check. This is so simple, yet so transformational. Every morning, stand in front of the mirror, look into your eyes and say, I choose who I become today. No one else can write my script. Say it like you mean it. Say it like your life depended on it, because it kind of does. Why this matters is because it builds your inner voice. It programs the brain to stop seeking permission from others, and it also helps you to embody the person you're becoming instead of just wishing for it. Step 5, curate your circle. I will say this a million times again, or maybe I will keep saying this throughout my life. Your personality is contagious. You either evolve or shrink based on the people you surround yourself with. Start auditing your circle. Who uplifts your growth? Who mocks your experiments? Who makes you feel small for expressing your truth? Cut out energy vampires. Start unfollowing Instagram influencers or people who make you feel like you're never enough. Also, mute the friends who throw passive-aggressive jabs at you when you try something new. Because if your environment doesn't support the person you're becoming, it's going to keep you trapped in the person you've outgrown. Let me tell you a secret. The right people don't just tolerate your growth, they cheer on you like it's a damn sport. Your personality is not a box to fit in. It's a canvas waiting for you to pick up the brush, make bold strokes, paint outside the lines, mess it up, start over, and keep going until it feels real. You were never born to be edited down. You were born to expand. If you resonated with any part of this video, please smash the like button so that the right people will find the video. And I also have attached the entire step-by-step process as a PDF in my description box, so you can check it out. You can download and keep it, save it for later. You can literally just look at the PDF and practice every step whenever you want. Also, drop a comment below about your thoughts and if any suggestions as well, because I would love to read your comments. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, I love you all. Bye.